Should you factory order your next Bronco, Maverick, or F-150? Find out next. I know that within the past, I'd say it's going on 2 years now, there have been a lot of supply chain issues, a lot of chip issues. You guys know all about it. You go to the grocery store, you go to order something online, you're seeing delays, you're seeing back orders, and it affected basically every industry. The car market was not excluded from that. We were all accustomed to driving to a dealership, walking the lot, and choosing the vehicle we got to drive home that day. With the way the market's looking, custom ordering or factory ordering your vehicle might be the way of the future. In today's video, I want to talk about some of the benefits on why you should factory order a Ford vehicle. And there's a few of them. You're going to get a lot of knowledge. Stay tuned. If you can't find exactly what you're looking for and you're thinking to yourself, maybe it's time that I should factory order. Whether it be an F-150, a Bronco, Maverick, maybe it's a Mustang, whatever that may be, you're going to get a better deal than if you were just going to come to walk in right off the lot and purchase one that's sitting there. Now, also what you're going to get through Ford is price protection. That means that when you sign that paperwork, when you go to factory order that vehicle, we are going to lock in that price for you, that you're not going to come into the dealer, because some of these shady dealers are doing right now, go to purchase your Bronco and the price goes skyrocketing through the roof, even after you factory ordered it and waited however long you did for it. We're gonna lock that in and you're gonna be good to go and not have to worry about it. The next cool thing that is kind of Ford specific, and that is at the current timing and current filming of this video, Ford will actually honor the incentives at the time of your order or the incentives that are available at the time of purchase. Now, what that matters for you is that maybe when you go to order the vehicle, there aren't too many incentives. Maybe it's a different month or a not too hot month for a Mustang. There's not too many incentives going on for that. But by the time the vehicle's built, a month or two, or even 3 months down the road, there's way better incentives that are being offered. They're gonna help you get the best deal and whatever works out best in your situation. So let's talk a little bit more about what the dealership knows beyond what the customer knows. When you go on Ford.com to build a vehicle, even up to this point, I believe I'm correct, depending on when this video gets released, you can only build a 2021 Ford Raptor on there. In fact, I believe you can only build a 2021 Ford F-150. When right now we are accepting orders and have been for a little while for a 2022 F-150. Dealerships have the advantage of getting knowledge before it's available to the public. Now, your best bet, instead of going off the website, is to definitely give your local dealership a call or give us a call, find out all the options you can get. We can get you the colors you want, the trim options you want, get you the brand new vehicle, so the next model year, and get it to you faster. What I mean by that is that Jonathan, our sales manager, sat me down. We had a customer that was ordering an F-150 and he walked me through how they get to see it on the back end. If you add this set of side steps, it's actually on a parts restriction right now, meaning that the warehouse where they build your F-150 doesn't have a lot of these, or they don't have any of them right now. So what that's gonna do is actually delay the process of building your truck. Now, if you're like me, you're like most people, you're used to the Amazon Prime, getting things in 2 days, very quick. If you absolutely don't need those side steps, go ahead and remove them off of the truck. Don't worry, you can still get the side steps on your vehicle. Here at Susquehanna Ford, we can easily order them for you either through the Ford Parts Accessory Catalog or through one of our local vendors at the same time that you order the truck. So while your truck's being built, we've already got your side steps on the way. We've got a full service department. We'll easily throw them right on, build them into your payment, and it's almost like it never happened. A few of the misconceptions that surround factory ordering your vehicle, one of the first ones is going to be pricing. And the misconception is that when you factory order a vehicle, it actually costs more to do. And guys, if you're thinking the same thing until you watch this, I can say there's no shame in that, because when you go to factory order something, or custom order as most people call it, it does sound like it's going to be a little bit more expensive. Anytime you hear the word custom, it just sounds like it's being made personally for you, so therefore it's going to be a little bit more. When you go to order the vehicle, it's the exact same as if we were to be placing an order for a stocking unit and one that you'd see just sitting on the lot that didn't have a name on it. We go through the same process, the same options, and it has the same MSRP at the end. The second misconception is that the timing of the vehicle or the delivery time is actually going to be delayed based on the fact that you're custom ordering it. In fact, right now, factory order vehicles are actually being placed in the front of the line. Now, the reason they're being putting in the front of the line based upon them versus a stocking order is because that Ford knows that these vehicles are sold. They know that as soon as they drop off at our location, they are going to be sold to that customer. They're going to sign it off and drive it away, probably within that same week, depending on when they can come out and pick it up. The last misconception we're going to talk about is that placing a factory order is difficult, when in fact, it doesn't have to be difficult at all. And in reality, it's a lot easier than even going in and purchasing a vehicle off the lot. And you can actually go on to our factory order page, fill out a contact submission form, and what we're going to do with that information is reach back out to you, chat with you a little bit, whichever way is most convenient. It is not going to be you having to come into our dealership, sit down for 3 or 4 hours, talk to our sales manager before you talk to the finance manager, It's nothing like that. In fact, you can probably do the process in about 5 to 10 minutes from start to finish ordering that vehicle for you. Now, the convenience factor is that we're going to be updating you throughout the entire process on where your vehicle is, when it's expected to arrive, and what to expect once it arrives. And when it arrives, you've got a few options. If you're not in the local area, we can ship it to you. You can fly in, we'll pick you up at the airport. You can pick up that brand new vehicle and get to enjoy some road miles and drive it home. And I'll be honest with you guys, looking at the way the market is, this might be the way of the future. I'll knock on wood, I don't know how the future looks as far as car buying goes. But when I tell you this is probably the easiest process to do this, I really mean it. I will tell you guys, the next vehicle that I go to buy, it's gonna be an order. I'll be able to get everything that I want, the color that I want, the options I want, and it'll be here a little bit quicker. And I know I said I'm impatient, but waiting a little bit for your dream vehicle and something that you might pay on for 4, 5, 6, 7 years, you really want to make sure that it's the right vehicle for you. Like I said before, if you've got any comments, questions, concerns, feel free to give us a call, drop a comment below, reach out to us. We'd love to chat with you. Till next time, I'm Matt from Susquehanna Automotive. Catch you on the next one.